We're looking at the Standard Time Cloud site and specifically how the timesheet can be used for manufacturers. So I'll click on the timesheet icon here. This gives you an idea what it looks like. You basically have your Monday through Sunday columns here with the total out at the right. Then you have the jobs and projects that you are assigned to. There are hours in each cell. These can be entered manually or through automated means like barcodes or RFIDs. This timesheet can be used for a variety of different users. There may be office users, shop workers out on the shop floor who would be scanning barcodes or RFIDs, supervisors, executives, and there are user rights so that you can refine what each person can see and do in this timesheet. All of the hours, regardless of how they are created, end up here. So some may be entered manually by simply typing in an hour here, an hour there. They may be entered through timers, where timers will start and stop for project tasks, or through barcode scans or with RFIDs. So there's a lot of different ways the hours can end up here in the timesheet. This is one good example for shop floor employees who might scan or might tap to start. But the hours are all going to go directly into the timesheet. And there is a time logs page, which is a little different. It's the same data, but laid out slightly different in a spreadsheet-style interface with rows and columns where you can filter, sort, and then you can go to the file menu and then export those out to Excel and other formats. There is a calendar view. You can look at month, week, day, or by an entire year. Lots of different ways to look at the data that's entered into the timesheet, whether it comes in through scans, tap to start, or manually.